Ve'ata al te'atzvu. Yosef says to the brothers, don't be sad that you sold me. A Hasidic Rebbe once rebuked his son for being sad. And the son said, I have so many other bad character traits. Why are you rebuking me for being sad? And the Rebbe explained, for all the other averos and bad character traits, you will probably do tshuva. However, Chazal teaches in Bereishis Rabbah in the Medrash Parsha Chafalef Oisvav Ve'ata, the word Ve'ata and now actually denotes tshuva. And Ve'ata ela tshuva, that is the language of the Medrash. And Yosef said, Ve'ata al te'atzvu, you got to do tshuva for being sad. Because for all the other averos, you're probably going to do tshuva. All the wrong character traits, you will do tshuva for, but being sad, whoever thought it's an avera? Ve'ata, says Yosef, tshuva. Al te'atzvu, don't be sad, because if you are sad, you got to do tshuva. You got to be happy with everything you have. Being happy you're a yid, being happy you're alive, being happy HaKadosh Baruch Hu is your Father in heaven.